All right, guys, what's up? This is Stubby with Hooking with Stubby. We are headed to a lockout. I missed you guys. I'm glad to be back. Now using the new camera and microphone equipment, but here we are. Alright folks, so as you've seen, I did get into the pickup. I did have to go to the passenger side. There was nowhere over there to put my camera. I apologize, but it took me a minute. That vehicle actually disables the power locks if you try to go in through the door. So I had to do it the old-fashioned way and try to figure out how to hook the unlock button and manually unlock the doors because the power button would not work. But anyway, that's it for this call. Thank you guys for joining me. Hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, turn on that little bell notification. And like I said, you know, if you guys want to get a hold of me, shoot me an email. Put it right here down at the bottom of the screen. Also look down in the description. I've came out with a couple shirts. I've got them in both women's and men's. I'll put the link down in the description. And hopefully you enjoy the new video with the new camera. I'll keep working with the camera and figuring out different ways to mount it. If you have any ideas, shoot me an email. But thank you guys for joining me. Have a good day and see you on the next call.